Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental controls on Honor 200 Smart. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar and go to Google account. Now go to Data and Privacy, and you have to scroll all the way down and then click Delete your Google account. Now you have to enter your password. And you have to scroll all the way down and check these two checkboxes. Then click Delete account. And as you can see, my account should be now removed. So let's open Google Play Store, for example, and click Sign In. Click Sign In again. And here you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so I have to click Next to recover it. And I have to enter my password. Then click I agree. And now click accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and my parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.